Okay, going to see how well the car does in snow. So it's been parked here, the heating's on, so it's all defrosting. We've got a good bit of snow packed at the front. Do have Goodyear winter tyres on, so that should help, and it's a four-wheel drive. So let's first of all do the doors open. Easy peasy. Even do the doors close? Yep. To unplug it and uncharge, just that was frozen. Hold that for a couple seconds, and then I do it. Heating on. Oh, actually roasting in here. Right, music off. It's actually toasty. So to do, hold that off, defrosting off, car settings, dynamics, sports mode, obviously, if you're going to try and do some snow. So this I'm finding shockingly easy to drive in the snow up a hill with absolutely no problem whatsoever. So the four-wheel drive, the winter tyres, and if we just check the actual, the braking is obviously, but we're in the proper depth of snow here. Let's see what it's like if we go out onto, put it into a drive. Try and go on some road if nobody's gone on before. So, absolutely no hesitation. Yeah, traction control kicking in, but otherwise, even going on the snow, go for a corners are a bit fun. Yeah, okay, nobody's driven along here. And we're getting up to a good 20 miles an hour. So yeah, Tesla 4x4, Tesla Model 3, long wheel drive. Long, was it? Whatever it is. But yeah, absolutely no problem. Let's get up to the top of this. So yeah, there's the marks that we just made. Absolutely no issues whatsoever. Actually, four-wheel drifting there, fun. This is insane. I've never actually tested out the winter tyres and four-wheel drive and electric cars, but brilliant. The fact that it's going to do this with absolutely no issues whatsoever. Nice, I felt. And then up the hill where the kids are sledging. Take out some children. Steep enough for the kids to sledge. Well done, Tesla.